Hello lovelies, welcome back to another episode on Jindo's recipes. Today we'll be making baked chicken with potatoes. If you've not subscribed to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, press the notification bell so that whenever we post a video you'll be the first to know. We are going to be making this delicious baked chicken that is so soft and yummy in your tummy as always. To start off the recipe, we'll be using chicken thighs. We're going to be using about 6 chicken thighs for this recipe. We'll cut into the chicken. This is to allow the flavor to marinate and to sink into the chicken through the cut surfaces on the chicken. We'll be transferring into a bowl. We're adding our seasoning powder, our black pepper. We're adding some salt to taste, curry powder, and olive oil will be added. Be adding some dark soy sauce, and we'll combine all of this together. We'll want to make sure that all of the ingredients touch all of our chicken thighs. We'll cover it up with our cling film. Once covered, we'll be taking this into our refrigerator and we'll allow it to stay in our refrigerator overnight. We'll be cutting into our yellow pepper. We're using different colors of pepper for this recipe. We use our yellow, red, and green pepper for this recipe, so we'll be cutting it into sizes that will be suitable for our recipe. Once our peppers are cut, we'll be transferring into a plate. We'll transfer and then get ready. We'll be cutting into our Irish potatoes. We'll be cutting into sizes that will be suitable for this recipe. Whatever size you want is fine. You can actually make it bigger or smaller, depends on what's your preference really. Irish potatoes are ready, so as soon as we transfer into the plate, we're cutting into our sweet potatoes. We're going to be using sweet potatoes and also our Irish potatoes for this. Sometimes people think that the Irish potatoes usually bake faster than the sweet potatoes. That may be true, but once both of them are ready, they get done about the same time, so there's no reason why you can't try out this recipe. Now our chicken is ready and we have brought it out after marinating overnight, and we want to turn again to make sure that we combine all of the ingredients into the chicken back again. We'll be spraying on our oven tray. This is olive oil cooking spray. We want to make sure it touches all around our pan, and then we'll be transferring our already marinated chicken into our oven tray. We'll add our already pre-cut peppers. Can you see how beautiful the colors of peppers are turning out? We'll be adding our sweet potatoes and our Irish potatoes into our baking tray as they will bake together with our vegetables and our chicken to give us a juicy mix. We'll be spraying on our olive oil cooking spray to make the chicken come out very moist and juicy. Our sauce remnants will be pouring it onto our chicken thighs, ready to go into the oven. It will bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Our potato and our baked chicken is ready for us to serve. Yum, yum, yum. Very juicy and very well spiced, sweet and delicious as always. We'll be serving this lovely potato and chicken recipe into our plate. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, press the notification bell so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to know. We'll be glad to have you as part of the Jindu Recipe family. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed. We thank you for being part of our family, and we hope to serve you always premium recipes all the time. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your meal.